Hi guys, for today's video, I will make a tutorial about how to pay DFA appointment via GCash or GCredit. So dahil walang laman yung GCash ko, gagamitin ko ngayon ay GCredit. So, let's go! So ayan, i-click lang natin yung GCash application. And then, input natin yung MPIN natin. And next, click natin yung bills. Ayan sa gilid. And then, yung government, click din natin yung sa baba. And after that, i-search lang natin dito. Search pa yung DFA. As you can see, makikita mo na pwedeng GCredit and GGifts. So, click natin yan. And ilalagay natin dyan yung amount kung magkano babayaran. So, which is 1,000 pesos. And then, ilalagay natin yung reference number na in-email sa atin ni DFA. So, 10-digit reference number. So, punta tayo doon sa may email. Then, copy na lang natin. So, ayan. Punta tayo sa email. Copy natin dyan yung reference number. Ayan. Ayan, copy natin. And then, paste natin doon. Ayan. And then, lagay natin yung 11-digit mobile number natin. So, ayan. And then, email address. And, tanggalin lang natin yun kasi extra bayad pa yun eh. And then, next. So, ayan, mali yung nilagay kong number. Kailangan tanggalin yung plus 60. Kailangan ilagay 0. So, ayan, i-next na natin. And then, click natin yung GCredit kasi yun yung may pera. And then, next. Click natin yung next sa taas. And then, double check and confirm. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo magbayad. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope na meron kayong bagong natutunan ngayon sa aking tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you!